currently working on these motion springs right now. See that wear mark right there? I got quite the parts list accumulating right here, guys. All new. I gotta put this in today, guys. This is the vtec screen, and that piece goes right behind that. I have a ton of parts accumulating, guys. O-rings, oil filters. These are the springs. These are the new ones I have. All right, guys, another cold day out here. Should be a little bit warmer than it's been. I got the motor chilling here, guys. A lot of you guys are probably wondering, like, oh, what's going on with it or whatnot. I'll come out here and I'll rotate the crank here and there just to get oil lubricating the cylinder walls. You're all bundled up, huh?
It's cold out here.
Coming out here? Oh, sweet. Look at, literally have this sheet.
Oh my God.
This is really a pain in the balls, guys. This is why I don't like the cold.
I thought you said this is why I don't like the cold. I was like, I'm right here.
I don't mind snow, but when we have ice storms like this and the whole car is literally an ice sheet. Got a big one there.
That's right, girls gotta do a man's job.
Girls gotta do a man's job. I gotta stay clean, man. Still a little cold start. I figured since I gotta drop the lady off today, make a little video for you guys. A lot of you guys have been curious. Hopefully I can do my best to answer some of your questions. So yeah, let's just have a blast today, guys. It's vtec. All right, guys, I think I got something in the mail for the ride. I don't know. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, for Gerb in midnight. Shout out to Alex hooking me up with the K24 mount. I'm gonna put this to good use, dude. I appreciate it. I know you were gonna go swap with yours, Frank swap, but you ended up selling your FA5. So huge shout out to you, dude. Okay, the first question is, how many miles does the K24 engine have? I didn't get it on paper. Anywhere from like 30,000 to like 60,000 miles. So it is a low mileage JDM motor. Next question is, how much was the motor? And what header am I going to be using for the swap? For those of you who don't know, the motor was $650. Goal is I'm going to have this to be like a $1,500 budget build. And for the header, for the swap, I'm going to try to utilize my Skunk 2 Alpha header. I don't really want to buy anything else, honestly. Is the K24 a low compression or a high compression engine? And I went with the high comp, pretty much the 10.5 compression. So you said you're going to build it. Does that mean you were gonna boost it? Honestly, I was gonna build it at first, guys. New valves, springs, retainers, all that. I decided to kind of keep it OEM for right now. I'm just doing like a partial rebuild. You know, it is low mileage. I might just even turbo it as is. So that's definitely a plan maybe for the future. eBay turbo kit. Is this the TSX K24A2? It's not the K24A2, but it's literally identical to the 0405 TSX K24A2. Same horsepower, but it has slightly more torque than the USDM TSX K24A2. Same head, RBB head. It pretty much is, honestly. Literally, guys, this question I get the most. Ideally, I wanted to do the Frankenstein build. After some research, potentially maybe rebuilding my K20 on the side. I'm gonna stick with the full K24 long block just because my K20 head has high miles. To answer your question, I'm running full K24A long block. Another question I get, this kind of was funny, I was laughing. Paul Escado says, please get the Type S oil pump, Gerb. Please do it for me, for us, Gerb Nation. Laugh out loud. Am I gonna get the Type S oil pump? I was, but in reality, guys, I have two oil pumps right now. I have the K20Z3 and I have the K24. For me, honestly, like, I don't really see the need to have the Type S oil pump. I'm not going to be revving to like 8500 anyways. You know, I'm going to be revving. I'm keeping my rev limiter to like, I don't know, or my red line to 8K. Don't want to drop the money right now. I have to fabricate the Type S pump. I don't have the patience for that right now. So for me to get a third oil pump, unless I was maybe revving up to like 9 grand or 8,500, I don't see the need in buying it, so I won't be getting the Type S pump. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to Mike Harkins. I'm gonna drop his clip down below for, you know, providing knowledge. This guy has knowledge. Everything I research, he always pretty much, you know, informs me on, and he just knows his stuff. So shout out to you, Mike, and you know, keep it real, dude. This is probably going to be like one of the few last times that I'm going to be driving this thing before I want to start pulling it apart, because You know, I'm almost at 200K like I stated. Just cruising, dude, midnight and I. But yeah, so I've been getting like a ton of questions, and I want to say thank you guys to all the engagement in the last video I posted. I'm gonna drop a link down below in the comments and in the description. You guys are wondering what I'm filming with. I'm running the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. One thing I had to complain about, it would be the battery on this. I'm gonna be posting this video before the holidays, so I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are all getting SIs or Civics or something for a Christmas present. Walk on some Civic stuff, guys. Engine has been kind of just chilling. I got the head. I have the head in the house, and I have the block outside, which I'm ashamed of, but I might actually do some stuff to it today because it is going to be warm out. It's so freaking cold these last few days. Just been busy with work and stuff. Haven't had time to devote towards the K24. Oh my God, dude, there's turkeys. The huge turkey in the front of the road. Yo! Even an OEM, guys, as of right now, I'm doing a partial rebuild. Hold on, partial rebuild. Because going budget with this, guys, you know, I kind of made a budget for this, $1,500. Will I exceed it? Probably. And it's stock. It's going to be pretty much a stock OEM long block JDM K24. Like I said earlier, I'm not going to be running the Type S oil pump. I'm not going to be revving it that high, guys. Like, I can barely rev this thing out to like 8K on strips and stuff before I'm exceeding speeds well over the speed limit, you know, but only in Mexico. I mean, I don't really see the need to rev a K24 out that high anyways, even though I'm probably gonna miss the K20 revs. In terms of mods, you guys are like, oh, you better get the 50-degree VTC. I'm definitely doing the VTC actuator. Why wouldn't you? You know, you're putting a new timing chain on, might as well do everything you possibly can before you put the whole motor together, because I don't know when I'm gonna have the chance to rip this thing apart again. I'm gonna run the RBC. I might do a Hondata intake manifold gasket. You know, I got the Skunk 2 alpha header still. You'll see what I get for an intake. That's coming soon, hopefully. Exhaust, I'll probably just run stock for the time being. I wanna upgrade my brakes in the front. Just all in all, have a fun time with the build, guys. I'm not trying to rush it. You know, I'm not a mechanic. I'm not trying to be the fastest guy out there. You know, some of you guys already know that. I'm just trying to have a good time with what I have, guys. The tune and the torque alone are gonna be great. I know it's gonna be great. It's gonna be a rewarding swap. $1,500 build, budget build, and in full K24 long block. Tune, bolt on. Another question I get is, you know, what's your power goal for it? If I could get 230 wheel horsepower and a 180 plus torque, I will be happy with that, guys. Gotta get some gas, throw us 10 bucks in this pig, because we got like 4 bars right there. I'm glad that you guys are just as excited as I am for this build. It's gonna be worth it. I can assure you that. Been studying a lot of things in terms of like mods for like the Acura TSX and Absolutes, and I have a solid platform, and I think that I'm going to achieve my power goals for sure. So woohoo! You guys already know, $10 gang. Oh, figures, man. It gets stuck. I always get stuck at yellow lights, man. I swear if I drove an automatic like that wouldn't be a problem. WRX right there, that thing's clean. Patchy. Little 4th gear. That's just pure K20 right there, man. This thing feels amazing, and it's pretty much stock, guys. Like, in reality, all I really have on this thing is an etune and a header. Don't really talk much about where I'm from, but obviously you guys know I'm from Connecticut. Small town, kind of, you know, Glastonbury. Right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. Probably put up another video on like really getting on this thing, power shifting and all that. So I want to give a huge thank you to all of you guys who continue to take the time to support what I do. It just pushes me to keep making more content for you guys. Be sure to give me some love on the video, and if you have any more questions, feel free to drop them down below. Happy holidays. So I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace.